multiplication principle. The multiplication principle is to undo division. We're going to do the opposite. And we're going to go ahead and multiply. And the rule is whatever we do to one side of the equation, then we must do to the other side of the equation. So example 1, we're going to find the power of the electrical circuit if the total voltage is 120 volts and the current is 6 amps. We're going to use the equation below. So power divided by 6 is going to be equal to 120 volts. So in order to solve for this P, what we're going to do is multiply both sides by 6. And the reason we do this, because it undoes division, but then this, can just become a 1. So we're left with 1P, or we can just say P, and that is equal to 120 times 6. So let's get our calculators out. 120 times 6, and we get 720. And so that would be our solution. Now let's go ahead and look at the second example. So find the voltage of an electrical circuit if the total resistance is 8 ohms and the current is 1.5 amps. We're going to use the equation below. So we have volts over 8 is equal to 1.5. Right, so whatever we do to one side, so if we multiply this by 8, so this just becomes 1. The reason why we did that is we want volts by itself. So we just go ahead and multiply each side then by 8, because then it gets rid of this 8 right here. Now we're left with volts is equal to 1.5 times 8. And we get 12, right? And that would be our solution. We have 12 volts.